Well, this is the engine buzz. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. You said you could tell from the way it turned over if you heard it. You've done this enough times. I can't hold it like this and go in the car and crank it, so I'm going to pretty much set it down here somewhere, and hopefully you'll be able to hear the sound of it cranking. You may not see a picture though. I don't know. Hold on. I don't even know where the speaker is on, the microphone is on this thing. Let's try that, shall we? Nope, that's obviously not going to work. We'll try this. I'm setting it on top of the radiator. That wouldn't be good for that to fall into the motor, would it? Anyway, on top of the radiator. Hear that noise? Listen. I'm right at the catalytic converters. Now, it's running, but as you can see, the engine is shivering. See? I'm gonna give it a little, I was gonna give it a little gas, but this thing don't have no linkage out here. I don't think that I can reach. Huh, it's the drive-by-wire system. Hold on, I'm gonna go inside the car and step on the pedal. You can see that throttle body shivering. I'm standing on the trailer. I may be shaking the camera right along with the car. But the engine seems quiet itself. That noise you hear is down there around the catalytics. This is all I have on the dashboard. No, seat belts, the door's ajar, and I'm low of fuel. And as you can see, I mean, it is right on E. There's almost no gas in this thing. And there it is. There's your RPMs. I'm gonna rev it again. When I rev it, it actually seems to smooth out some. It really does. But it's got that jitter and shake at idle. And what else? There was something else, I don't know. Here, I'll crank it again. From inside the car, here's the motor. And like I said, the exhaust stinks. As you can, still got the crap in it. Okay, tons of wiring. Something's wrong with the AC blend door. I'd be willing to bet that's the real reason they more wiring. No back seat. It was a canine car, but it don't smell. I don't think they must have used it very long as a canine car. And of course, it comes with the officially Ford manufactured and duly approved peeling paint hood, which you have to pay extra for. Okay. Take you around back there to the exhaust pipes. Exhaust, which seems normal. Other exhaust, there's a little vapor here. Again, it seems normal, but God, it stinks. It stinks like that horrible gas, like those gas tanks that let that damn you-know-what sit in them till whatever. Well, I'm gonna cut this off now because you know, the longer they become on up there, whatever, unless I put them on my YouTube channel, I guess, and you can look at it there. But anyway, this is my $1,300 Pride and Joy 2006 Ford Crown Vic with 87K on it, and pretty good, almost new tires all the way around, as a matter of fact. I think it's even got a spare. Okay, man, that's all I got. Talk to you later.